Hey YouTube, I am going to show you some pieces that I have DIY. So this is a piece right here. There's 6 pictures right here that I have DIY a couple of years ago, but it is pretty great. If you see something brown, that's just this. So yeah, what I did is I brought about 7, 8, um, 6 picture frames at the top, 2 at the bottom, 2 different sizes, and I added some holographic paper in it, and to give it that shine, and then I glued the mirrors on top of the glass, and it turned out beautiful. So the next thing is this beautiful piece. Now this is a recent piece I recently done. Now it has is this beautiful custom, let me just say custom gray. It's sort of like a light dark gray, light gray type light feel, and it has the holographic glitter in it, and it also has silver glitter in it. I'm gonna go in on it for you can kind of see, but yeah, it's different tones of glitter. So if you come around, excuse me for the garbage can, y'all, it's this one. Now this is a revamp piece. So also this is just what I end up doing is just taking some homographic glitter and paint and repainting it, and it's a little bit on a darker, lighter, darker scale. So it's like this effect, like, oh, it's raining, but it's not, but it has that Z Gallerie feel to it. So yeah, that's that one. We're coming around to here. Now these are the ones I recently put up yesterday. And I'm not completely through with this side of the side, but it has different textures, and I wanted different textures with something with the little ones. So I'm gonna go up on one. So that's where one look like. Here's the other, and it does have the holographic art, holographic paint on it. Also, this is just a plain piece, one of my original pieces I did. I decided not to revamp it, but it does have silver glitter specks in it. So, yeah, so let me come on around here. Here's another set of 4, just like the other ones. And they have, as you see, different texture to them, but they are different. These are the original ones I originally did. I kept them the same. I did a little bit of not much, but added a little more glitter to them. So that's that. So here is this one also. Excuse me about the, but yeah, this is also an original piece. And yeah, this is just the original abstract art piece. It does have glitter in it. So yeah, so we're going to come around. Excuse me, I have to walk around a bit. So this is the newer one, and this is a little bit on the darker gray side, but it is shimmery. It has the holographic glitter in it as well. Let me see, there you go. And it has silver in it, so yeah. So here is the piece I've been working on for months. I did not know how I do it, so I took a picture frame, painted it all white, white and silver, and then I added the glitter. This is a lot of glitter on here, and then I took a glue called grip glue and add the flower. This is something different, something unique, but this is just my own take of Z Gallerie if they did something like this. So yeah, so now we're fin to go down the hall. So we're gonna do this one at a time. So we have this art piece. This is a textured art piece. I took some, oh my God, let me see. I took some Home Depot's plaster, and you can get that at Lowe's. And I texturized it and I painted it, and I came out with this with a little bit of glitter on it. So yeah, so we're just gonna go to side side down. This is the last piece. I'm gonna come back to this piece. So let me see how I can do this. There you go. Now this is this piece. It's a little bit on the darker side. Different tones of grays that I like. And I want to show you the inspiration in a minute. Go back and show you this. But yeah, that's how that piece look. Now here, I'm going to have to, let me try this way. If you can see that, that is this piece. I mean, this is the this is the biggest piece. This is a 18 by 30. Let me just say, this is an 18 by 30, pretty huge. And yeah, that's that piece right there. But then you come around, I'm going to have to turn around this way, get in the door. Now this is this piece, and I love it. Also, every one of them has those holographic glitter in it. It's silver and white, crystal white and things. So go back to my art supplies. You will know what kind of glitter I've been using. But yeah, this is this piece. And yeah, here is this piece right here. Here's this piece. And I'm working on some more pieces for the hallway. So yeah. Yeah. So I'm working on one piece for the hallway, but this is the piece. And I hope everybody, and let me just show you the inspiration for, I've been painting all day today. So let me show you, come up to this. This is the curtain that inspired all of my artwork right here. So yeah, if you have something like this and it inspires you, so yeah, don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.